glow up challenge. I just decided I'm gonna give myself a glow up. I'm so sick at the moment, so why not make yourself feel better by glowing up? I'm gonna do my makeup first and then we'll see where we go after that. Okay, so first I'm just gonna go in and do my, I'm gonna start with eyes first. Well, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then I'm gonna do my eyes. I think that's where we're gonna go, because I think I want to do like quite a big look on my eyes, so just better doing them first. Just first going in with my e.l.f. brow pencil in neutral brown. Then I'm just going to use this concealer and put it all over my eyes just as base. Okay, I'm going to start off with the Juvia's Place, the Zulu by Juvia's. It's just this one, it's like the really colourful one. And I'm going to put this shade down first. Okay, and then I'm just going to pop into this yellow shade and sort of blend the edges of that out. Okay, and then I'm going to jump in with this purple shade. And then I'm just going to go back in with the pink, but I'm just going to take it on a smaller brush, sort of just to help blend that purple out a bit. And then going back in again with the yellow. And then I'm just going to take some concealer and cut my crease. Sort of doing more of like a halo eye, spotlight eye type thing. And then I'm going to go in with this shade on the lid. And then I'm going to take the pink shade and sort of buff out the edges a little bit. And then going in with the purple shade just again on the edges. And I always like to bring it up just a little bit and through, just to make sure the top is nice and blended. And then I'm going to go in with the PS Liquid Glitter eyeshadow in the shade Silver. And then I'm going to pop on some falsies. I'm just going to do that off camera because I cannot do it on camera. Okay, and that is lashes done. I'm just going to let them be. I'll put mascara on later. What I'm going to move on to now is just some primer. My favourite primer to use is the Natural Collection Hydrating Radiance Primer. It's like, I don't know, it just really gives you like a really nice glow and I really like it. Okay, and then I am going to go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F1. I really like this because it does give you like a lot of coverage. Okay, and then for concealer, I'm going to go in with Revolution Pro concealer in C1 and also the MUA Pro Base in 100, I think. Yeah, 100. Okay, and then to set that all down, I'm going in with the MUA Pro Base Full Coverage Powder in shade 100 as well. And then for bronzer, I'm going to go in with my new fave, the Sunkissed bronzer in the shade Medium. And then to contour, I'm going into the Profusion Contour Palette in the shade Medium, and I use this shade here. These shades are really pigmented, so if you're going to use this, use a light hand. And then to highlight, I am going to use Makeup Obsession highlighter, this one from my testing video. It is in the shade H112 Lightning. And then for blush, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London blush in the shade Santa Rose. I don't know if they still do this anymore, I've had this for a long time. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the eyeshadow palette and take, first of all, the purple shade right up in my eye, like as close to my eye as possible. And then I'm going to go in with the pink shade. And then I'm going to go in with the yellow shade. And I'm going to pop some of the Revolution Pro eyeliner in the shade Nude in my waterline just to brighten it up a bit. Okay, and then I am going to pop on some mascara, just going to use the Revolution mascara. And then I'm going to go into the Miss Sporty lip liner pencil in the shade Slow. And then I'm just going to go in with the MAC lipstick in Creme de Nude. It's one of those cream sheen ones just in the middle to create a nice ombre. And then I'm just going to set that all down with my Primark setting spray. Okay, so that is the makeup done. I am actually going to run off and I'm just going to straighten my hair because I don't really do much more with my hair, and change my outfit because as fancy as this is, it's not really a glow up. And yeah, I'll be back in 1 second for you guys, but about 10 minutes, 15 minutes for myself. Okay, so I went a completely different direction with my hair. Instead of straightening it wearing down, I decided to go for the slick back pony. But I think it sort of works better with the makeup because it sort of shows it off a bit better. But yeah, just a sort of slick back pony. And then I just sort of changed into a little crop. Ooh. Just changed into like a wee crop top and a pair of jeans. And yeah, so that is my glow up. It took me an hour and I started at 10:20 and it's now 11, almost 11:40, so about an hour and 20 minutes to go from in my dressing gown with no makeup on to looking semi-decent. I really like it. I really like the eye makeup and I think it looks really pretty. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my glow up challenge, and until next time guys, please like and subscribe.